Right.
Good for you.
Burpee challenge. Here we go. We've got Sukhi, Amit, Gemma, myself, and Simon. The regulars. Right, here we go. Okay, 60 seconds. Get this out of the way. Okay, stand by. Okay, stand by. Off we go. Whew. 5 seconds. Let's go. Go. Three seconds. Go. Go. 10 seconds. Go. Come by. Go. Come by. And go. Everyone, we're done. And Gemma.
Oh, wow.
Awesome. Well done, Amit. 8 seconds, go on. Okay, stand by, everybody.
What round was that?
Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Okay, last one coming up, everyone. Go on, keep going, Amit. Well done. Off we go. Good, Simon, looks strong. Well, Sukhi, keep it going. That's it, good speed. Good, Gemma, good effort. That's it, brilliant stuff. Go on, mate, keep it going. Gemma. Go on, mate. Well done. He's done. We're done. Okay, that's it, everybody. Awesome effort. Another day ticked off. I'm on my last day of 30 tomorrow. So I think you did all yours on the floor there, Gemma, didn't you? Okay.
What did you say?
I think you did all yours to the floor and gone.
No.
Oh,
Me
no,
only
all
about
right, yeah.
6. Very honest,
Okay.
6. I didn't.
It don't matter. They're your burpees, aren't they? So it's.
I know,
no
but that's
point.
my goal.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do it. But
Okay. Okay. Suki's going to go for the floor burpees tomorrow, I reckon. Looking stronger than normal burpees, Suki. So looking quite you're looking quite nimble on your burpees, Suki. So
I'm struggling with the other ones. I do about 4, and that's it.
what do you feel? What weakens first?
It's the press up. Like when I go down, jump
Yeah.
back up.
You know, it's flat down onto your body. Then you're just having to sort of push up from your knees. I don't know if you're doing. I'll just show you. I mean, the way Simon does them, he does them like to there, and he does a press up and pushes back. But the proper way to do it is so it's from the floor, and it's just standing there. So you're sort of from that position there, you're almost peeling off the floor. So you're onto your knees, and it's just from there, from your knees, you then bring it in. So it's not too bad on your upper body. So let's try it. You know, I don't know if you were doing it straight down onto your normal press ups. Yeah.
Yeah, I was.
So the knees should touch or not? Sorry, Scott, the knees should touch or not?
Sorry?
The knees should touch or not? The knees.
Your whole body. I mean, if you want to
I'm
do
not touching the knees.
Okay, well, it's fine. It's fine. They're harder. They're actually harder. Just doing the press up without support for your knees.
Right.
You know, I mean, doing the burpee, sort of down into the press up position without your knees touching, and back in. Obviously, there's a lot more core strength and upper body strength needed. But
Right.
if you're going straight down onto your body, you're on your knees there, so it's don't need as much upper body strength.
Got it.
Oh, okay. Right, I'll see you there, everybody. I better stop recording.
Thank you.
See you.